Hi, grade fives. Welcome to your week 6 writing homework. So, we are going to be we are corping this big write this Thursday. So, I suggest you do a really detailed plan and really think through your structure. Today, you're going to write a narrative or a story. The idea for your story is in the middle of the night. Now, we have been working on tension and suspense. Remember, tension is a negative emotion between characters that is described in that way. And then suspense is not letting your reader know something, but slowly giving them information to get them hooked. And normally it's leading to something negative or a jump scare or a mystery. Using tense and suspense and tension. Tense. Okay, now let's start brainstorming. What could happen to you in the middle of the night? You could choose to write about an exciting nighttime adventure or something scary that happens in the dark. You need to include and think about the following. Who are your characters? And when we ask who are your characters, you're not just saying their name. You need to describe their appearance. You need to describe what their personality is like. Make them three-dimensional. Don't just give them a name. We talked about this in class, what makes an interesting read and what makes a not interesting read. Because when you're writing, you're actually imagining a character. You need to communicate that onto the paper. You can't just say, oh, my friend Jill. You need to say, my stunning, brown-haired, blue-eyed friend who I've known forever, who loves to laugh and loves to dance. We're going on an adventure with me in the night. She taps me on my shoulder. She loves spontaneity. Really give me a holistic picture of your characters. Where is your story set? Are you at home and you wake up in the middle of the night? Are you at an abandoned house exploring with your friends? Are you camping with your family and in the middle of the night something happens? Are you at a school sleepover or a school camp and something happens? What is the problem or complication and how will it be solved? How will your story end? Okay, so here we've started talking about our story mountain. Remember to plan your story with the beginning, middle, and end, story mountain. Organize your ideas into paragraphs. Remember, a paragraph does not begin halfway through a sentence. You need to finish off that idea. I like to say that a narrative might be in 3 paragraphs. You have a beginning, middle, and end. Okay? Choose your words carefully and entertain the reader. Describe everything. Describe every little thing to ensure that your reader is imagining and really engaging with your story. Make it funny. Make it mysterious. Plant eggs at the start that you can later refer to. Write in sentences. You need to be using your connectives, your connective wall, your therefore, your however, your buts, your so, your if, thus. These are very good ways to write a complicated sentence. When you are writing, I always tell my students that you need to, after you write a sentence and you put that full stop, you reread that sentence before you move on to the next one. Okay, I do this when I write. So you're paying attention to your spelling and punctuation as you go. Check and edit your work carefully. Okay, lovely. So that's our topic for this week. Let's go to week 6, shall we? 4, 6. Okay. Obviously, this is where you're doing your plan. Now, my students who do the best big writes do a very detailed plan. See this video. Ask for the video playing the story mountain below. Beginning, build up, dilemma, resolution, closing. Here, this build up, this is where you build up your mystery. This is where you build up your suspense, tension. Opening and build up is where your tension is. Okay. What's sizzling start? There are so many different sizzling starts. I don't want to read one day, once upon a time, me and my friend. Make it interesting, make it powerful from the second that we start reading it. Show, don't tell phrases. This is where you can be as creative with adjectives. Write some sentences here. You might want to describe a character here. You might want to describe your setting here. Personality traits. or powerful descriptive phrases or adjectives about the setting. All right, here, my best big writers. This is where they shine. They actually pre-write a big write. I encourage you to do this because this is a corped assessment. This will go on your report. So write with as much creativity, structure, tension, suspense. Really entertain your readers. That is the point of a narrative. It is to entertain. Well, there you go, grade fives. Have a lovely night writing about your big write for Thursday. Good luck. God bless. We love you.